camera back. I go to the front one. I go to the front for the
I'm done with bullshit. At this point, I'm merely amused. 22, checking in, it's like a yearly review. I ain't making no commitments unless I'm seeing it through. And that shit ain't always easy to do. Nah, it ain't easy to. Another year alive, pushing my dreams, finding balance while I'm looking at screens. I look out for the team.
About
Caretaker, never doubt the
IG music video vibe, you know. And I'm gonna take that shot at the waterfall right now. The sun is very harsh right now, but that's the intention, you know, to get that harsh sunlight under the waterfall. And we just going for like an isolated look under the waterfall, you know. We chose a Wednesday because as the waterfall is the least occupied, like there are much people there, but now we see already in the cloud. Alright.
Yeah, man. Where's your log?
I saved there. I'll stay with there.
The lowest score is the next best option. So you got at least hold 2. There you go. Go only green. Yeah.
Never know.
You feel in the green. You'll be good.
The green will be good for that spot, Kazama.
Yeah, the green. I really should only green for Kazama. Yeah, only green for Kazama.
Pushing my dreams, finding balance while I'm looking at screens. I look out for the team, caretaker, never doubt the regime. I built a following off loyalty, without a machine. Make my coffee, throw a beat on. Go get what I'm owed, and that's just something we agreed on. They said it wouldn't be long.
But I want a cold one. They have a next spot over there. They are speaking of.
Oh, they have a dark type of. You have to sound like over there if you hear anything. We just reached the waterfall. We're just checking out the spots around the area, how we go shoot it. And I'll get certain locations now.
Yeah, so we'll shoot over here first and then come back. Buses, man. You can time the fuck up the outfit there.
So we're working the function?
Not yet.
The other one will go.
I'm calling, nobody's home. I'm calling, over and over and over again. Over and over and over. Somebody's calling on myself. Was it you? I cannot tell. Hello, demons in my bed. I'm calling, nobody. Somebody's calling on myself. Was it you? I cannot tell. Hello, demons in my bed. I'm calling, nobody's home. I'm calling, nobody's home. Feels like we go around in circles and try to hold on.
I have a drone that go far under the water in a river, and that still recover. Eh?
Yeah, man, I recover.
You can just stick a water there.
Yeah, boy, it's gonna crashing.
Get crafty. Yeah, but I'll put it in the sun. Let's put it in the sun. I don't.
And we fight to make love all night. We're so cold.
One out there, we're about to switch locations. We're just finishing up on the other side of the waterfall. But it's not really a waterfall there. There's more like a little stream coming down. Now we're in front of the waterfall, as you can see. So we just wrapping up there. Now we come in here, we take some shots here, and then we're done for the day. The shots we get over there was on a different level, but we go see the shots we get there. Here have a nice little open space, the waterfall in the background, you could do a lot there. So Just about to finish up the vibe. I could still.
You don't do up there and do that there, do something there, go up there. Huh?
You gotta do a backflip. You doing it?
Yeah, well, I know about I go do the front one. I go do the front flip.
Yeah, but I'm lifting up stones and things.
Yeah, boy. I'm showing up the strength.
Jelas é freaking out. Jelas é freaking out. Jelas é like this. Yeah.
2 minutes longer.
Could be.
Alright, so you know what? Did I go that side? Actually, yeah, good. There, yeah, we're ready for you there. I like that shot there.
Hey.
Wet down there. First might get wet. First might get wet.
Yeah, but the demand down for that. That's his time.
Are you see on reflection? Keep it folded or drop it?
Take
Wait.
Look at that. You know that?
Yeah, I can move it.
Yeah, there's still a fishing.
Alright, hello.
Alright, we there. You press record? There's someone to do that.
Was it you? I cannot tell. Hello, dis-moi, j'ai ma peur. I'm caught.
People will say go Africa, hey boy.
What is the name of that fall again?
You say what I remind me of that track with popcorn and then the waterfall and the girls around the waterfall.
Yeah.
So I go do that shot again, but with movement,
Yeah.
but there's no movement, but still.
Yeah, I wanted to kind of like do still and then do some movement.
Yeah.
Like just like normal, like just straight up,
Yeah,
no
that.
emotion, and then
Yeah, man.
our thing with some vibe.
Yeah, but
My lighting skills on
no, your lighting skills back.
No, yeah, like the lighting school stuff.
I wasn't feeling Paul Una, to be honest. Paul,
I go tell
normally,
The man is half-
normally you is top money in that, but
I go tell people we shot it in the night.
yeah, man. But I like that shot there. What?
Yeah, well, that shot down.
That shot tough. So we just do one more ticker down there, and then we good. In time.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see, like you didn't go
Oh, and the
full
frame
in.
itself.
Yeah.
But I
You
was
stop a little,
yeah.
and then you once you start
I
singing, you
tune,
go.
I tune,
Yeah.
small thing.
But you could still try it again, eh?
Yeah, I go.
You could try it
Yeah,
again.
we'll try.
Somebody's calling on my cell. Was it you? I cannot tell. Hello, dis-moi, j'ai ma peur. I'm calling, nobody's home. I'm calling.
Keeping it still, so you moving as well.
Is when I editing here, I go switch one, I go use it.
Okay.
Because both of them, both places, I take still ones,
Still ones,
and I take
okay.
moving ones. So I go mix it in between,
Okay.
you check it? But I like this still. My
still
first idea was the still.
Still one,
you check
yeah,
it? And
yeah.
just mix the still. But I say I will give some movement because I
Movement,
need to incorporate the drone. You check it? But that one there, yeah man, I like that one. Man.
So did you want to be fuck up there?
I think the drone is
Wait, oh, it's inside.
Yeah,
That's
it's
cool. Wait, so you know what time? Put your head on the water.
No, That'll-
Imagine you singing there and you're half your mouth in the water. Yeah. Feel it. You can try it.
Nigeria, go
Oh, Nigeria.
Yup. Because that is why too. When I shooting them kind of vibe, I had a chance to get an angle. Nobody get to check it.
I
So-
feel years ago, what did see there pretty dirty here?
Yeah,
It
they
was-
do
it
the
was
thing.
closer there.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know if they came here, but I'm not sure.
I saw a shot like similar to that down here.
Alright people, we out today. We get all the shots we needed to get. Things come out good. We're on the way now. I'm about to check out when we reach by the ride. Shots was good.
Vibe was nice, man. I really enjoyed the vibe. Get some killer shots. Try and go viral on Instagram now. Make the boss go viral. The only thing is we crashed our drone. Drone get wet a little, we couldn't start it back. But I feel the drone will recover, you know. I'll take it into ICU later, put in some rice. Right now it's in a little coma. But go revive, man.
Yeah, man. Oh, the vibe was real nice, you know. Michael Robinson has a very positive energy. Love working with him. Can't wait to work with him in the future again.